looking for a home that's low maintenance but you can still enjoy the garden?
This home has a lovely rural outlook and it's only 2 years old. Let's go and check it out. One of the things I love about this house is the great layout.
You've got a beautiful kitchen here and it's lovely open plan.
This home is built for the natural light and to capture the sun.
It's so private and I love the flow outdoors. Ashhurst Domain is just over the road, so it's great for walks at the river.
This home truly is something special, so don't wait, phone me today and arrange to have a viewing.